Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. This time we're going to visit the Art Science Museum, Lotus Shape na iconic building sa Marina Bay Sands. Pag sinabi nilang the museum shaped like a hen, ito yun. And ang concept where art meets science. So hindi siya typical museum na puro painting lang, interactive, tech, at pang-instagrammable lahat. Bakit to sikat? Dahil sa architecture,
dito ang
yung
ganda na.
building at yung gitna parang bowl na collect ng rainwater, symbol daw ng welcoming hands of Singapore. Paggabi, umiilaw siya, ang ganda sa pics. Future World by Team Lab, pinaka-famous exhibit, digital art, science, laro. Example, mag-sketch ka ng fish, tapos lalangoy siya sa giant lead wall, parang nasa ibang mundo ka. Rotating exhibits, bukod sa Future World, nag-host din sila ng big exhibit like Marvel, Titanic, Space, Dinosaurs, iba-iba every few months.
Ate!
Kaya if you have time, you can visit this art science at Marina Bay Sands at makikita nyo
Hindi tayo
sobrang
nakikita.
ganda at ma-amaze din kayo. Yung
Ay, ang ganda nun, no?
pag binisita nyo dito, for sure, lalo na sa mga bata,
Kaya nga,
ma-appreciate
ganda.
nila. Every corner, pwede kayo mag-take ng photo. But make sure na mas maganda pumunta kayo ng maaga para sa ganun. Very less lang yung mga taong nagpapapicture. And one more thing, yung art museum dito sa Singapore is, again, makikita sa Marina Bay Sands. It's not typical museum, more likely a playground of art, science, and technology. Pinaka-famous yung Future World where digital art comes alive and you can actually
naglalakad pala,
interact
nandun
with
sila,
it. Ganon kaganda yung
tiger
art
nandun.
science museum dito. And then may entrance po siya, pero it depends po kung magkano. May iba yung price nung matanda, iba din yung price ng bata. And then for sure magugustuhan nyo talaga din, kasi ako nga na matanda, nagustuhan ko yung nakita ko. This is my first time to go to the Art Science Museum here in Singapore, and I really appreciate it. And napakaganda. Talagang yung reaction namin maririnig nyo dun sa video na wow, napapapaw kami. And hope you visit this one, guys, and maglaan kayo ng time if in case. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos, and I need your subscription, guys. Thank you so much, and more power to my channel, and also God bless you guys to all supporters there around the world. Wow, around the world. And running to 4K na tayo, guys. Hope you be one of my supporters. See you to my next uploaded videos, and hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. Shout out to all my subscribers. Please don't forget to like, share, and press the bell button so you won't miss my next uploaded video. See ya, and thank you. Kamsahamnida, arigatou gozaimasu, sama-sama, terima kasih, todaraba, thank you, salamat.